Curious about how space mining is transforming from science fiction into reality? As we reach for asteroids and the moon, we're unlocking resources that could reshape industries on Earth and fuel deeper space exploration. Today, we're diving into the most groundbreaking innovations driving space mining forward. Join us as we explore these awe-inspiring advancements set to change the future of space exploration, industry, and the very fabric of our economy. Robotic mining drones. Robotic mining drones are transforming space mining by autonomously extracting precious materials from asteroids and the moon. Picture small, autonomous robots traveling millions of miles from Earth, landing on celestial bodies and mining resources entirely on their own. Built for extreme environments, these drones use advanced sensors and AI to navigate, identify mineral-rich areas, and extract resources. Their precision allows them to locate valuable metals, rare minerals, and even water ice for future space missions or fuel production. These drones are lightweight, compact, and perfect for space travel, yet packed with spectrometers to analyze rock and soil composition on site. With these tools, they detect platinum, gold, and rare earth elements in the environment. Equipped with specialized drilling arms, they can mine in low-gravity conditions, carefully extracting resources without scattering materials into space. Autonomy is essential, with AI systems enabling drones to learn and adapt in real time. They make exploration and extraction decisions independently, as communication delays prevent real-time control from Earth. Capable of handling unexpected issues and even minor repairs, they ensure smooth operations. One exciting aspect is their ability to work in teams, with missions deploying fleets of drones that collaborate seamlessly. While some map and analyze the area, others drill and collect samples, creating efficient mining operations. Their cooperation makes large-scale mining on moons and asteroids feasible. These drones could transform space exploration and even provide Earth with valuable resources, supporting sustainable space infrastructure and colonization. In-space resource processing. In-space resource processing is transforming space mining by refining materials directly on asteroids or the moon, without returning raw resources to Earth. This approach eliminates the costly transport of unprocessed material, allowing only valuable, ready-to-use materials to reach Earth or be used in space manufacturing. From fuel to construction materials, in-space processing will change how we think about mining and building in space. The most exciting part is the development of mini-refineries that work in zero gravity and harsh conditions. These refineries are compact, self-contained systems that handle every process from crushing to extraction. Using solar furnaces, they harness the sun's power to reach the high temperatures needed for melting metals and extracting oxygen, crucial for both breathing and fuel. The challenge of refining in zero gravity has led scientists to invent new methods. With no gravity to separate materials naturally, techniques like magnetic separation, electrostatic processes, and centrifugal systems simulate gravity to process materials. These innovations ensure efficient operation even without Earth's gravity. Once refined in space, materials have countless applications. Imagine building satellites, space stations, or lunar habitats with locally sourced materials, reducing dependency on Earth. This advancement could establish a self-sustaining space economy. Future missions might even create tools and structures from these resources, making deep space exploration more feasible. Autonomous cargo logistics. Autonomous cargo logistics is revolutionizing space transport between Earth, the Moon, and beyond. Imagine automated cargo ships navigating space independently, handling every step of transport without human pilots. This system, powered by AI and robotics, is already making space exploration more efficient and sustainable. A key advantage is continuous operation, as these ships don't need life support or brakes. This allows for regular cargo movement, essential for long-term Moon or Mars missions needing steady supplies. Autonomous cargo can create a reliable supply line, delivering essentials like fuel and building materials. Technology like advanced navigation and AI-driven decision-making makes this possible. Sensors allow these ships to avoid obstacles, adjust course, and dock without intervention. If an issue arises, onboard AI can make split-second corrections, ensuring resilience in space's unpredictable environment. These systems are especially impactful for asteroid mining, transporting materials from asteroids to processing stations autonomously. Fleets of these ships could make large-scale space mining feasible and continuous, supporting infrastructure in space itself. More than logistics, autonomous cargo is building a connected space economy. Ships could deliver asteroid resources to space stations for in-space construction, sustaining operations without relying on Earth. This innovation lowers costs and risks, making ambitious exploration and human expansion into the solar system more attainable. Resource mapping and targeting with AI. AI-powered resource mapping is revolutionizing space prospecting by pinpointing valuable resources on asteroids, the Moon, and Mars. Imagine AI scanning celestial surfaces, quickly identifying mineral-rich or water-laden areas with high precision. This tech enables us to locate resources accurately, removing the guesswork from space exploration. AI systems analyze data from remote sensors, satellites, and rovers, recognizing patterns indicating resources. Using spectral analysis, which reads unique light reflections from minerals, AI rapidly maps out potential resource locations. This technology, already successful on Earth, could change space exploration. Paired with real-time data processing, AI can adjust plans instantly as new data streams in. For instance, if a rover detects platinum, AI alerts mission control, allowing teams to focus on that area. This AI acts like a virtual team of geologists, strategizing in real time. Resource mapping with AI also enhances mission safety. Space is hazardous, and knowing precise locations minimizes risky exploration, conserving fuel and resources. Targeted exploration reduces the chances of equipment damage or landing issues, creating safer missions from the outset. AI resource mapping aids in establishing outposts, identifying ideal locations with accessible water or minerals. A Mars base, for instance, could rely on nearby ice, supporting self-sufficient operations. For asteroid mining, AI identifies the richest targets quickly, optimizing mining plans before missions launch. AI-driven resource mapping makes space exploration smarter, safer, and more strategic, setting the stage for sustainable human presence beyond Earth. Water harvesting and fuel production. Water harvesting and fuel production in space is rapidly becoming an essential technology for exploration. Imagine extracting water from the Moon or asteroids and converting it into rocket fuel, allowing astronauts to refuel in space instead of carrying fuel from Earth. This breakthrough would save costs and enable longer missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Water is surprisingly abundant on the Moon and in certain asteroids, with significant ice deposits found at the Moon's poles and water trapped in asteroid minerals. By harvesting, purifying, and storing this water, we can generate both drinking water and fuel. Through electrolysis, water can be split into hydrogen and oxygen, the components of rocket fuel. Robots equipped with drills and heaters would extract ice or hydrated minerals, turning them into vapor and then liquid water. Using electrolysis powered by solar panels or nuclear energy, they would convert this water to fuel directly in space. This sustainable process generates fuel exactly where needed. The benefits are immense. Rockets wouldn't need to carry round-trip fuel, allowing greater travel range. Lunar refueling sites would let rockets refuel and continue to Mars or other distant destinations. This approach, known as in situ resource utilization, could make interplanetary exploration feasible. Reducing dependence on Earth enables new mission strategies and lowers costs, potentially making space travel more accessible. With water harvesting and fuel production, we're moving towards sustainable exploration and even future colonization. This technology is bringing us closer to a future where humanity thrives throughout the solar system. 3D printing in zero gravity. Additive manufacturing, or 3D printing in space, is revolutionizing how we approach space exploration. Imagine astronauts printing tools, parts, and even structures directly in space instead of waiting for supplies from Earth. This technology enables a flexible, self-sufficient setup, especially in zero gravity. 3D printing uses layered materials like polymers, metals, or regolith to create objects. Unlike traditional manufacturing, which requires bulky machinery, 3D printing is compact and efficient, perfect for space missions with limited space and weight. NASA and Made in Space have already developed a 3D printer for microgravity, with astronauts on the ISS producing over 200 parts since 2014. This flexibility lets astronauts adapt to issues immediately, a crucial advantage for long-term missions to Mars. Looking to the future, 3D printing could enable building habitats on the Moon or Mars using local materials. Lunar regolith, for instance, could become walls, floors, or protective barriers, reducing transport costs. Autonomous 3D printers, aided by robots, could build habitats on Mars even before astronauts arrive. Additive manufacturing also simplifies repairs, allowing astronauts to print replacement parts and recycle broken ones. Recent advancements even allow for printing complex electronics and sensors on demand. This technology makes space exploration more sustainable, helping humans adapt quickly and explore further into the cosmos. Legal and environmental frameworks. Legal and environmental frameworks are gaining importance in the world of space mining. Humanity is close to accessing vast space resources, like rare metals and water from asteroids, but ensuring responsible, fair, and sustainable use is essential. The 1967 Outer Space Treaty established that space is the province of all mankind, meaning no nation can own celestial bodies. While companies can mine resources, they can't claim ownership of celestial bodies, creating questions about responsibility for environmental or legal issues. The Moon Agreement of 1984 proposed equitable sharing, but key players like the US, Russia, and China haven't signed, so it lacks global weight. Recently, countries like the US and Luxembourg passed laws allowing companies to own mined resources, sparking concerns about a space rush. The Artemis Accords, led by NASA, promote peaceful space exploration and resource sharing, but lack universal adoption, leading to potential legal conflicts. Environmental risks are also significant. Space mining could create debris fields, making space more dangerous for future missions. Experts advocate responsible mining practices and waste management standards to prevent additional space junk. Proposals suggest mining companies could take responsibility for debris cleanup, preventing dangerous chain reaction collisions, or Kessler syndrome. Ethical concerns have also emerged, with some suggesting that space should be protected like Earth's natural parks. This view questions if space mining should maximize resources or follow a leave-no-trace approach. Moving forward, we'll likely see a combination of international treaties, corporate responsibility, and environmental standards guiding sustainable space mining. Space mining's future is exciting, but requires careful legal and environmental management. That wraps up our journey through the incredible innovations transforming space mining. Each of these advancements brings us closer to a future where the resources we need are right at our fingertips, even millions of miles away. If you enjoyed this exploration, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to InnoVision Tech. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, keep discovering the cutting-edge wonders of the world with us.